right here at the Skip J Range once again with Mr. Glock. But I need to do some carpentry work, but I have forgotten my hammer. Oh no! I'm going to have to use Mr. Glock to drive this 3.5-inch nail into this 2x4. We're going to do a little bit of carpentry work with Mr. Glock. But once again, before we get started, Mr. Glock is fully empty, as you can see, with no magazine. I need to do my carpentry work. Oh no, Mr. Glock, are you going to be able to drive that nail all the way in? Oh my goodness! Mr. Glock has driven this 3.5-inch nail all the way into this 2x4. But is Mr. Jim's work complete here today? No, it's not. He has a little more carpentry work to do. We're going to drive another 3.5-inch nail into this 2x4 with Mr. Glock. Oh my goodness, Mr. Glock, are you okay? Mr. Glock is okay. He is telling me, go ahead and drive that mean Mr. Nail into that 2x4. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. I didn't have a hammer, but I used Mr. Glock, and he's okay.